This is a TechMaster Model 50 stereo FM tube receiver and player, 30 watts. Non-polarized, but there is a transformer, so it's not too old. Japanese parts in it, from what I can see so far, on the tubes anyways. 12A U6, a 12A U6, a 1264, and then this one here is hiding underneath the case. That looks like a 12A L5. RCA 12A L5. Here is another ITT. That's a 6U8A. And then this one here, look at that. TechMaster by RCA. That's 6 Bravo November 6BN8. 6BN8. Capacitors here looks like. And it looks like there's a 12. Yeah, it's hard to see with the dust and the grime. 12DT8. I'm guessing that's like the receive oscillator or the receive section. It's isolated. You got the coil here to adjust it. There's another coil on the other side to adjust. The front faceplate here is destroyed. I mean, it's like all the screen, silk screen is off of it. The dial cord though, it still works. You know, it does dial back and forth, but it actually looked all right as far as build quality. All right, let's move the camera a little bit. Bring down the exposure some. Okay, so we got a rectifier or filter caps over here, because there's 1, 2, 3. This one's not being used. Tube socket, tube socket, tube socket, tube socket, tube socket, tube socket, tube socket. And then all these capacitors would definitely have to be swapped out. More than likely a bunch of the resistors. We have a 3-dot resistor. Was that body and dot? Looks like a diode right here. A bunch of the really dusty, but overall, I mean, like, it looks like a good build. I don't know if it's factory. Got some charring right here between these two. Looks like grounded. Come back some. Bring down the light a little bit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 right off the bat there. 14. Tube FM stereo radio. Not sure much about it other than got an output section, got a receive section, tuner, antenna right here, antenna, all the tubes, and the output.